BTC-alpha crypto exchange review, my usage experience. In this video, I'm sharing my honest experience with BTC-alpha, a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a range of features tailored for both beginners and experienced traders. BTC-alpha provides access to a variety of cryptocurrencies, including popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins, alongside a robust trading platform that's known for its simplicity and speed. One of its standout features is the ability to trade fiat to crypto pairs, which is ideal for users looking to deposit and withdraw in local currencies. The platform also supports margin trading, allowing for leverage up to 5x, which can be appealing for traders looking to maximize their profits. Security-wise, BTC-alpha uses two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for digital assets, offering solid protection for users. In terms of user experience, BTC-alpha's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it ideal for new users. I didn't find it overwhelming, unlike some other exchanges that have a lot of complex features. The deposit and withdrawal process was straightforward. I made a deposit using both Bitcoin and fiat, and I experienced no issues with either. Withdrawals were processed quickly, which is a key factor for anyone looking to trade on an active platform. Another positive aspect is the low trading fees, which are relatively competitive compared to other platforms in this space. BTC-alpha charges around 0.2% per trade, and there are no deposit fees for crypto, which keeps the costs minimal for users. However, one area that could be improved is the customer support. While my experience was overall positive, response times from customer service could be quicker, especially when dealing with more complex issues. They do have a helpful FAQ section, but live support could benefit from faster replies. Additionally, BTC-alpha is still not as widely recognized as some of the bigger players in the crypto exchange market, which may make some users hesitate at first, but the platform's reliability and ease of use more than make up for it. Overall, BTC-alpha is a solid choice for those looking for an easy-to-use, secure platform with competitive fees and a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this exchange offers the essential tools you need to get started in the world of crypto.